Okay, now let's find the work done by the vector field xy, comma x squared plus y squared along the path parameterized by r of t is t comma t squared, where t goes from 1 to 2. So remember that when you're looking for a work, what you really want is the line integral of f dr. And what that actually means in practice is that you want the integral in terms of t, where, well, in this case, t ranges from 1 to 2. And on the inside, what you want is f of r of t dotted with r prime of t. So f of r of t, that just means take your vector field f and take r, and, well, you use the first component of r for x and the second one for y. So f of r of t in this case, in other words, it's sort of like f of t comma t squared. That's all. So t times t squared is t cubed, and then x squared plus y squared is t squared plus t to the fourth. So that's my vector field as a function of t. Essentially what this does is it tells you what is the force vector that an object experiences at time t. For r prime, we just take the derivative component-wise. We get 1 comma 2t. And so the dot product of f with r prime is, in this case, t cubed times 1 plus t squared plus t to the fourth times 2t. So that comes out to be t cubed plus 2t cubed plus 2t to the fifth. So 3t cubed plus 2t to the fifth. Okay, and that ordinary function of t is now what we're going to integrate from 1 to 2. So at this point, we're sort of smooth sailing. We just do a normal single variable integral. So 3/4 t to the fourth plus 2/6 t to the sixth from 1 to 2. Well, this point is just sort of messy arithmetic. Let's see. Plug in 2, and we're going to get 16 over 4 times 3 is 12. That's really 1/3 of 64. Minus 3/4 and a third. So let's see, that's 12 minus 3/4, and then there's 64 thirds minus a third is 63 thirds, which is just 21. So we get 33 minus 3/4. Well, so that's 32 and a fourth. Or in other words, what's that, 129 over 4. Okay, so finding the work done by a force field along a path is pretty straightforward if the path is given to you. And what we'll see next time is how to deal with it if the path isn't given to you.